Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this headband with a front veil. These are materials which I'll be using to create my headband. I'll be using this tulle fabric which is 42 centimeters by 29 centimeters, and I'll be using black cotton and a needle, and I will be gathering this 29 centimeter edge. I'm pulling this thread and I'm creating this gathering quite tight, like that, securing that seam. So my first edge is finished. I'll repeat same on the other side. My tulle fabric is prepared now and it's ready to be glued on this headband. I will glue the center of this tulle fabric, that center on the center of this headband there. So I'm pinning the center of this tulle fabric, applying hot glue on this headband center, and I'm gluing that tulle fabric on the center of the headband, and I'm pressing that tulle fabric on hot glue with the tweezers, just securing that tulle fabric. Next I will glue this edge on the edge of the headband there, applying hot glue and gluing that edge on the headband, and I'm gluing the rest of the tulle fabric on the headband. I'm creating a box pleat like that on the side center of this headband there. So this is how it looks. One side is finished and I'm repeating the same process on the other side of this headband. I'm gluing second box pleat on the side center of this headband, so both pleats are there. I'm just straightening out the tulle fabric now, so this is how it looks. Next I'll prepare this ribbon. I'm banding edges on each end of this ribbon. Next I'm cutting excess tulle off on this headband on the edge there. Next I'll cover this glue all around the headband. I'm applying hot glue on the edge of the headband there on top, and I'm gluing that ribbon on top. I'll glue this ribbon all around this headband's top edge. Next I will glue down this ribbon edge on the inside of this headband, all around it like that. And my headband is finished. If you have any questions how I made this headband with a front veil, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.